How to save chats in Poly AI on website. So if you're wondering how to save your chats in Poly AI, I'll show you how it works. It's actually super easy and automatic. So first, open up your browser and head over to poly.buzz.ai. That's the official Poly AI website. So once you're on the site, make sure you're logged in into your account. As you can see here, I'm already logged in. And after that, you can just scroll through and choose any character you want to chat with. So now just start chatting, type your message like hello, and hit send. As soon as you do that, your chat is automatically saved right here. You'll see it appear on the left side of the screen, right under the chat section in the sidebar. What's nice is even if you switch to another character or start a new conversation, your previous chats stay there. Like here, I'm gonna open a new convo with a different character. Let's say this one right here. Alright, I'm chatting now. And if I go back to the sidebar, I can still see my earlier conversations here. And I can just click on any name and pick up right where I left off. Everything's saved. And even better, your chat stays saved even if you close the website and come back later. Like for example, let me just go ahead and close this tab real quick. Okay, now I'll open Poly AI again. I'll click this and boom. My chat is still there on the sidebar exactly where I left it. Everything's still there just like before and it's super convenient. So yeah, you don't have to do anything extra. Just send a message and it's saved automatically. Hope this helps.